Why do 80% of urban homes deal with German cockroach infestations? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. German cockroaches are one of the most common household pests. They come in through cracks, groceries, and even used appliances. Once inside, they multiply rapidly, making them tough to control. First, let's talk prevention. Seal cracks and crevices in your home, store food in airtight containers, and keep your kitchen spotless. German cockroaches are scavengers and thrive in dirty, cluttered environments. But what if prevention isn't enough? Time to bring out the big guns, chemical treatments. Gel baits are highly effective. Apply them in hidden areas like under sinks, behind appliances, and in cracks and crevices. The roaches consume the bait and carry it back to their nest, wiping out the colony. You can also use insect growth regulators. These chemicals prevent young roaches from developing into adults, breaking the life cycle and reducing the population over time. Always follow the instructions on pesticide labels and consider hiring a professional pest control service for severe infestations. They have the expertise and tools to tackle the problem safely and effectively. Remember, German cockroaches aren't just a nuisance, they can spread diseases and trigger allergies. So act fast and keep your home roach-free. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more home tips.